Imagine the panic of walking out of a doctor's office, only to realize you've forgotten half the crucial details about your health. A scenario that hits close to home for many, especially those battling memory challenges. But what if an app could step in as your personal memory guardian, capturing every vital nugget from your medical chat? That's the game-changing promise of the Mirror app, powered by AI, and it's sparking a revolution in patient care. Developed by the Oxford-based firm Aide Health, Mirror is an innovative tool that records in-person medical appointments and whips up a concise, easy-to-digest summary afterward. Patients can revisit this summary anytime, sharing it effortlessly with loved ones or caregivers for added support. It's not just about convenience, it's about giving people control over their health narratives in a world where medical jargon can feel overwhelming. The brain behind this creation is Ian Wharton, who shared how a personal struggle inspired the idea. With his father in the early stages of Alzheimer's, Wharton witnessed firsthand the frustration of missed information during doctors' visits. It was the vast majority of the details that slipped through his mind, Wharton explained. My greatest worry was missing out on key updates when I couldn't be there. He painted a vivid picture of these appointments, intense, information-packed sessions where high-stakes news gets delivered in a whirlwind, leaving little room for full comprehension. For beginners dipping into the world of AI, think of it as smart software that listens like a highly attentive friend, processing spoken words into organized notes. No magic wand required, just clever algorithms at work. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it ethical for an app to eavesdrop on private doctor-patient conversations? Some might argue it enhances transparency and empowerment, while others worry about privacy breaches or over-reliance on tech. And this is the part most people miss. The app doesn't just record, it creates detailed breakdowns, like headings for the visit's purpose, step-by-step explanations of procedures, and what to expect next. Take Janette Alfrey, an early user who was absolutely amazed by the experience. She described how the summary outlined her appointment's goal, the upcoming steps, and post-procedure expectations, turning her into a confident communicator. When friends called to check in, I just snapped a screenshot instead of reliving the whole ordeal, as she said. It spared me the emotional replay button. Wharton emphasizes that user data stays strictly private. It's yours alone, with no selling, sharing, or third-party access. This version focuses on in-person chats, but it's merely the launchpad. Currently, Mirror sits back and observes, summarizing passively, Wharton noted, but envision a future where it becomes your health champion, nudging you to ask questions or flagging overlooked details. That's where the technology is headed, evolving into an active participant in managing our well-being. As we stand on the brink of this healthcare evolution, one can't help but wonder, should AI have a say in our medical dialogues, or does it risk diluting the human touch? Do you see this as a lifeline for the memory-challenged, or a slippery slope toward tech overdependence? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear if you're on board or have reservations.